last one. You guys don't have much room.
You can just put it wherever.
I'll probably park it across where I parked those other three.
Alright, that works. Check it out. Autumn Green Wilderness Outback. This color looks so good on the Wilderness. It's one of 4 new Subarus that arrived today. The first of the autumn greens that we've received. Let's go check out the others. 1 second. Pre-owned vehicles in today. Another lifted Forester Sport with off-road tires. That one will be available soon. Crosstrek. Oh, white Outback Wilderness Edition. Gray Outback. And another white Outback. These are going to be premium in white with black interior. And the gray is also premium, ready for their new owners here shortly. We'll be taking a look at who's pre-ordered these, who they're reserved for. Sorry, Nikita, if you're watching, the green one's already taken, so we'll just have to wait for yours. That Wilderness sure does look good. So we've been hearing from a lot of our guests that other stores in town don't seem to have any inventory, but don't worry, we have a lot of cars available, more coming in, taking cars in on trade, acquiring them through purchasing from people in the local area. Yeah, check that out. Lifted Forester Sport, California car, so it's not going to have the rust issues. Nice lift kit, off-road tires, aftermarket wheels. Just good looking car. Morning, James. Don't mind the Evo. And let's take a look at that green Outback Wilderness again. This one is pre-sold, but we can always order one for you if this is the color combination for you. The car just looks so good. So you can check these vehicles out at twinfalls-subaru.com, twinfalls-subaru.com, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Sorry about that, had a phone call try to come in. So we do have a number of vehicles available. Service drive's been rather busy as well. We do have our express lane open, so we can do oil changes, tire rotations, things of that nature. We aim for about 30 minutes. Sometimes it goes a little bit longer, sometimes it's a little bit shorter. We do have our team ready for those. We have our fully stocked service department. If you haven't seen how busy this thing is lately, let's show you. We've been adding new techs to fill up the space, where before we were able to work on 4 or 5 cars at a time. We now have a shop with much greater capacity to better serve all of our guests, including, you can see next to that gray Outback, there's a little bit of a pit in the ground, and in-ground alignment rack. So if you need alignment, you need tires, you need your newer used vehicle, Twin Falls Subaru has you covered. So come on down, let us help you out. You can call us at 208-734-8860, 208-734-8860 to schedule an appointment, or you can go to twinfalls-subaru.com and go ahead and see what we have that might work out for you, either service or sales. We also have a very delicious coffee machine just waiting for you. So thank you all, and see you soon.